You just got a cut or a scrape, so you did what everybody does. You went straight for the rubbing alcohol. Makes sense. That's what it's for, right? Actually, doctors say that's one of the worst things you can put on a wound. It damages the tissue and slows down healing. So that bottle you've been saving for emergencies, you've been saving it for the one thing it's not great at, while missing 18 things it's genuinely incredible for. And by the time we get to number 1, you're going to wonder how you ever lived without knowing this. I went through every claim out there, threw out the ones that don't hold up, and kept only what actually works. A single bottle of this stuff can replace an entire shelf of specialty cleaners, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's get into it. Starting with number 18, deodorizing laundry between washes. Gym clothes, jackets, things you wear often but don't wash every time. Lightly mist them with rubbing alcohol and hang them to dry. It kills the odor-causing bacteria without damaging the fabric. Not a replacement for washing, but it buys you another wear easily. Number 17, the greasy buildup above your stove. That sticky, dingy film on the cabinet doors and range hood is cooking oil rising in steam every time you cook and settling on the nearest cool surface. Regular cleaner just smears it around. Spray rubbing alcohol directly, let it sit a minute or two, then wipe in a circular motion. It cuts through the grease instead of pushing it deeper. The fumes are strong in a closed space. Skip it on unsealed wood or natural stone like granite or quartz. Number 16, white rings on wood furniture. That cloudy mark from a glass set down without a coaster is usually just trapped moisture sitting under the finish, not actual damage to the wood. On older furniture, finished with shellac or lacquer, rubbing alcohol can redissolve the top layer just enough to let the moisture escape. Test it on a hidden spot first. If the finish holds, work it carefully over the ring until it fades, and stop the second it disappears. That's a furniture repair bill you just avoided. Number 15, swimmer's ear. Mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and white vinegar. Put a few drops in each ear after swimming. Tip your head and let it drain. The alcohol dries out trapped water. The vinegar stops bacteria from growing in it. That's the exact same combination behind the name brand swimmer's eardrops you've been buying. Skip it if there's any chance of a punctured eardrum or if your ear is already hurting. That needs a doctor. Number 14, tree sap on your windshield. Park under the wrong tree and you come back to a mess. Soak a cloth in rubbing alcohol, press it into the sap for a minute or two, then wipe. It breaks down and lifts instead of smearing. Skip anything abrasive on top of it. You risk scratching the glass. Here's a quick tip on which bottle to buy. For disinfecting, 70% works way better than higher concentrations. Higher percentage alcohol evaporates too fast to actually kill germs. The 70% has enough water to slow it down and do the job. Number 13, stinky shoes. Mix 3 parts rubbing alcohol to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the inside of the shoe and let it air dry completely. Never soak it. This kills the bacteria causing the smell instead of just covering it up. Skip it on suede or delicate leather. That's a $12 shoe spray you don't need to buy. Number 12, fruit flies and drain gnats. They show up out of nowhere and multiply overnight. Fill a fine mist spray bottle with rubbing alcohol and spray them directly when you see them hovering. Kills on contact, no chemicals, no traps, no waiting. Don't spray it directly on your fruit though, it'll spoil it. And one more myth here, this will not handle bed bugs. It kills them on contact, but doesn't reach the eggs or the ones hiding in the seams. A real infestation needs a professional. Number 11, ink and marker stains on fabric. Dab, don't rub. Get the alcohol into the stain. Let it sit a few minutes, then blot gently. It works on Sharpie, ballpoint, and that pen you left in your pocket on laundry day. Saved me from replacing a couch. Number 10, disinfecting your phone. Your screen has more bacteria on it than most surfaces in your house, and most people never clean it. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with rubbing alcohol, not soaking, just damp, and wipe the screen and back. Check your manufacturer's guidelines first if you have an older device or a case with a special coating. Number 9, cutting boards after raw meat. Soap and water alone doesn't always reach the bacteria hiding in knife grooves. Wash with soap and water first, then spray rubbing alcohol directly on the surface. Let it sit a minute or two and wipe clean. Works the same way on countertops. Number 8, sticky residue. Peel off a label and that sticky ring stays behind no matter what you try. Soak a cloth or cotton ball in rubbing alcohol, lay it over the residue, Let it sit a few minutes, then wipe. It breaks down the adhesive instead of just smearing it around. Test it first on anything painted or varnished. And quick myth to clear up: rubbing alcohol will not whiten yellowed plastics. If an old appliance or game console has gone yellow, that's a job for hydrogen peroxide and sunlight. Don't waste a bottle finding that out. Number 7. Blinds. Nobody wants to clean them one slat at a time, which is why most people just don't for months. Here's the trick. Wrap a cloth around a pair of tongs, secure it with a rubber band, dip it in rubbing alcohol, and slide it across each slat, top and bottom at the same time. What used to take 20 minutes takes about 5. Number 6. Bug bites. Dab rubbing alcohol on a fresh bite with a cotton ball the moment you feel it. The cooling sensation as it evaporates takes the edge off the itch almost instantly. Don't overdo it on the same spot. Repeated use will dry out your skin, but for fast relief, nothing in your medicine cabinet works quicker. Number 5. Jewelry. Drop rings, bracelets, anything that's lost its shine into a small dish of rubbing alcohol. Let it sit a few minutes, then wipe with a soft cloth. The grime just lifts. Skip it on pearls, opals, or any soft gemstone. Alcohol can dry them out and cause cracking. Stick to plain metal, diamonds, or hard stones. Jewelry cleaner runs $10 to $12 a bottle. This costs pennies. Number 4. Stainless steel. Dampen a microfiber cloth with rubbing alcohol and wipe in the direction of the grain. Disinfects and shines in one pass, without the streaky residue most store-bought sprays leave behind. No specialty cleaner needed. Number 3. Glasses lenses. Mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and water in a small spray bottle. Spray your lenses. Wipe with a soft cloth. No streaks, no film, just clear. The alcohol cuts right through the skin oils your frames pick up every time you touch them. Plain lenses, sunglasses, and safety goggles only. If your prescription glasses have an anti-reflective blue light or anti-glare coating, skip this one. Alcohol can strip those coatings over time, and that's an expensive mistake. Number 2. Kitchen sponges. Sponges get gross fast, and most people just toss them every few days. You don't have to. Pour enough rubbing alcohol into a small container to submerge the sponge. Let it soak for a few minutes, wring it out, and rinse. Done. Pennies instead of another trip to the store every week. If you're finding this useful, go ahead and subscribe. I put out videos like this every week. And drop a comment below telling me which one surprised you the most. It genuinely helps the channel, and I read every single one. And finally, number 1. Removing permanent marker from a dry erase board. If you've ever accidentally grabbed a Sharpie instead of a dry erase marker, you know the panic. Most people assume the board is ruined. It's not. Apply rubbing alcohol directly with a cloth, and the permanent marker lifts right off. Clean board, no damage, no replacement needed. Works on glass and most hard surfaces too. Once you know this one, you will use it constantly, and you'll never stress about a wrong marker again. So to bring it all together, that $2 bottle can dissolve grease, erase wood stains, shine your stainless steel, and remove permanent marker from a whiteboard like it was never there. You came in thinking rubbing alcohol was just for first aid. Now you've got 18 reasons to keep a spare bottle in every room. If this was useful, subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. There's a lot more where this came from. I'll see you in the next one.